Hey guys, today we're going to be doing a 2-to-1 ratio epoxy resin using ClearCast 7050. It's my first time using a 2-to-1 ratio resin, so here's to that. I'm not going to do much talking this time, but as you can see, you need to tape your bottom. I'd already measured and written on the cup the 2-to-1 ratio, so I wasn't just free-handedly pouring here, obviously. Then you are going to stir 3 to 5 minutes. You want to make sure that it's clear, and it's going to be easier to move around too. You'll be able to tell. Don't really stir that fast, please, and thank you. Then you want to let it sit, this is very important, for 5 minutes after mixing to allow it to degas. And the colors I had planned, well, I used those and then some. You'll see the spray paint additions come along. But with powder pigments, make sure that you do a little bit of isopropyl alcohol before mixing the resin. And the spray paint, you just shake up, spray it directly in the cup. You don't need much, and add the resin as well. Stir, stir, stir. Stir, stir, stir. The powder pigments are Powder FX colors. And the orange I do know is called pumpkin orange. And that color is a color I made up a while ago, so I cannot give you the color names because it's a bunch of different ones. More spray paint. I thought I wanted to add a little bit of green, but you'll see in the end that a lot of green took over, but I really liked it. You see I'm angling it in the cup. Pour your resin in and mix. Scrape the sides as well because some of the spray paint will get on the sides of the cup, obviously. You see the consistency stays the same. Now we are going to coat the board in that dark, pretty turquoisey color. Make sure you get your sides very well. Also, let me know if these videos are too fast for you guys. I can slow them down, I just try to cut down on the time or length of the video. But just let me know, and I can adjust the next video. At this point, you're going to mix all your colors in your cup for your dirty pour technique. This is kind of like a dirty pour / ring pour / Dutch pour all in one. The best part about resin is you can mix and match because you have a lot more work time or flexibility per se. Now I'm going to add another little bit of the background color just to give some more area of space for the colors to absorb around. And I'm going to begin pouring with kind of like a ring pour technique. So during this pouring process right here, I'm not going to say much, except for you will notice that I take this cup and empty it into another one because I was not getting enough of the white that I wanted. So it was an easy fix for me without having to make a completely different cup. Now it is time for the trusty heat gun. I do have the attachment on for like a straight blow. It takes a little while to warm up the resin so you get a better flow. But the lighting isn't great here. You'll see in a little bit that it's way greener than it appears. But this helps push things around, give you some more cells. I really am digging this effect lately. Do not forget to torch after every few steps or whatever. If you see all the bubbles that had occurred when I used the heat gun, torching will help release those bubbles immediately. You can see the green come through right then when I was using my phone to take pictures. Also, don't forget to cover your artwork. The covering part is very important. Please do not forget. Alright, thanks guys for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell beside it to get alerts whenever I upload new videos. Also, in the description below will be a link to save 20% off of your entire purchase at the epoxy resin store, which is pretty awesome. But thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe to my videos, and see you next time.